Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate an AT&T prepaid phone from Walmart. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type att.com/activations and press enter. Wait for the website to load completely. Once the page opens, scroll down until you find the section where it asks you to choose a service. Click on the Activate Prepaid option to begin. Next, select how many devices you are activating. Choose the correct option, such as 1 if you are activating one phone or 2 if you are activating 2 devices. After that, enter your 20-digit ICCID number and your 15-digit IMEI number in the required fields. Make sure both numbers are entered correctly before moving on. If you are using an eSIM instead of a physical SIM card, click the EID number option at the top of the page. Then enter your eSIM's last 4 digits along with your IMEI number in the provided fields. When all the required information has been entered, continue to the next step. You will be asked to choose a prepaid plan. Review the available plans, select the one that best fits your needs, and proceed to checkout. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete your purchase and finish the activation process. Once everything is complete, your AT&T prepaid phone will be activated and ready to use. Thanks for watching.